Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. USDCHF today analysis, right? So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are down, right? We had been down since, I guess, a long time, since February. We have been down since February. And then daily chart is again just below the EMA. So this is your new low. This high is broken slightly, okay? And then we are again going down. Let's get back to 4 hour. 4 hour, we have already broken below the EMA. So 10, 10, 10, right? This is it. This is at 7,944, 1. Okay, this is your double bottom. All right. So price is going to bounce off now. So I think this low, you see, this low is not broken by this red candle. So we have to start going up slightly. Okay. Coming back to daily chart, in daily, we will have two situations right here. Nobody else will tell you this. This is a new high. Okay. So this previous, if you use the line right here, now you see. Now you can see this candle closed above this line which I have drawn. Okay, what does it mean? It means that this previous high is broken and new high is created. Normally this is a start of a new uptrend. So uptrend, pullback, and then we continue going down, going up. Okay, but possibility is also here that this low might break in the coming few days. Okay, so if this low breaks in next 2-3 days, then we will go and take down this low. Okay, so we have to act smart and we have to be spontaneous. We have to keep an eye every day because because this high is broken, looks like this is an uptrend. So we have but before the uptrend continues, pullback will happen. Okay, now will it be a pullback only, or will it be the continuation of the downtrend? Time will tell. If this low breaks, then it will take down this low. If this low does not break, then it will continue going up. Okay, so in 4 hour, what we have seen, this low did not break this low. If you use my line right here, you see there is a gap here. You see there's a gap. So this previous this long red candle, it still has not broken the previous low. So I think this might go temporarily up. But again, as I said in my videos, that I don't really care about anything beyond anything less than for daily chart. Okay, so 4 hour doesn't really matter to me. Okay, so yes, as I said, either we wait for this low to break to continue the downtrend, or else it could be a uptrend. Okay, so for me, I have too many pairs to trade. I have Euro USD, GBP USD, IUD USD, USD CAD. I will not worry about USD CHF. But if you still want to trade USD CHF, look for shorts. That's what I will say. And then subscribe, like, and check out Swing Trading on Automation, because these analysis which I am doing, it proves that I have the knowledge of the subject. And what I have done is I have transferred my human knowledge, human brain into this software. So the software is made by me only. Install it on your chart and print money on automation. You will only know what I'm saying when you see the results on this page. So go and check this out. Subscribe, like, and join free Telegram as well, and premium signals if you want to. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you in my next video. So take care.